Did you know that one of the world's biggest hotel companies also hires people to work from home? Yes, this hotel offers remote and hybrid job opportunities. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to find them on the Marriott Jobs website. Make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss an important feature that most people overlook. Don't forget to like this video so we will always meet again. Now, in this video, I'll walk you through the official Marriott Careers website, show you how to search for remote jobs the right way, explain the types of remote roles you can find, and share a few tips that can increase your chances of getting hired. Marriott International is one of the largest hospitality companies in the world, operating thousands of hotels across multiple brands. But beyond hotels, Marriott also runs massive corporate and digital operations, and that's where many remote jobs come from. Working at Marriott means global exposure, competitive benefits, and long-term career growth, even if you're working remotely. Let's head over to the official website, careers.marriott.com. This is the only place you should apply for Marriott's jobs to avoid scams. When the page loads, you'll see a job search bar where you can enter keywords, locations, and filters. To find remote jobs, start by typing remote in the keyword search box. You can either leave the location blank or choose a city if you prefer. For this example, we are using San Diego, California, but remember, remote jobs may still appear even if the location is set. Now click on search. Once the results load, look at the left side of the screen. This is where many people make mistakes. You see several filters: job category, schedule, prescribe, brand, and most importantly, remote. Under the remote filter, select yes. This will show only jobs that are approved for remote work. Each job listing includes the job title, department, location, and whether it's remote or not. Some roles may say fully remote, while others are hybrid, meaning part remote and part office-based. Always open the job description and read carefully before applying. Remote jobs at Marriott are usually corporate roles, not hotel-based positions. Customer support, sales and reservations, human resources, finance and accounting, IT and technology, marketing and digital roles. These jobs support Marriott's global operations and are often open to candidates with the right skills and experience. When you find a role you like, click apply now and create a Marriott career account. Make sure your resume matches the job description. Use similar keywords, highlight relevant experience, and keep everything clear and professional. A tailored resume always performs better than the generic one. Here are a few quick tips most applicants don't use. Apply early, set job alerts, check the site weekly. Don't apply blindly, read requirements. Remote jobs are competitive, so being strategic really matters. And that's how you can find and apply for remote jobs on the Marriott Careers website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more job search and work from home guides. Thanks for watching and good luck with your application.